from this table here, where do you work? Give me your teacher, your name. Okay, your seed is daycare. Daycare, okay? Daycare. Got it? You guys good?
We're good.
All right, and action.
Marsha, welcome, welcome. I want to show you around. I want you to feel perfectly at home here.
I love this room. I love it.
It's a really good space.
Is that a Promethean board over there?
It is?
Love it.
Yes. You know what? You're the first person that came in here and knew what that was.
I'm a very good teacher. I have a bachelor's degree.
First thing we do, though, anytime we enter the room, we wash our hands. No, of course. Germs are bad. Germs are bad. So.
Germs are bad. Those electric ones? It turns on by itself?
I bumped the air dryer.
Oh.
Let's try the water again. All right. Let's get some soap.
Is there a rubber ducky?
It lets you know when it's empty.
Oh! I guess it ran out of battery to let you know it was empty?
I'll have to change the batteries later. All right, so we're all cleaned up. Would you like to care to wash your hands? See if your sink sounds any different?
Yeah, no.
That's the garbage disposal! Good God!
Why is there a garbage disposal at a daycare?
That's a great question. I'm going to have to ask the supervisor about that. Let's not use that right now.
Wait, do you have an electric air dryer?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay, all right.
Apparently it's haunted, I guess.
I do hear that ghost. Oh my God, is this a safe room?
I do want to say there was a child that died in here. From too much love, they had too much love. It definitely wasn't negligence or the electric socket.
Oh wait! I hear the announcements come on. Never mind.
Nope.
Yeah, I thought.
Now, we do have, this is a quiet space, so anytime any of the children get out of hand, get a little emotional, we put them in this room. So when I open this door, that's when you're going to hear the crying babies. That one might be stuck in the garbage disposal.
We'll let that teacher handle that.
Yeah, it's a different teacher.
Wait. What's in this room?
That's the vomit room. Any children that are sick, we quarantine them into a separate room.
So when I come in with a hangover, I can just go in.
If you're hungover, if the baby's hungover, if they have a little fetal alcohol thing, I don't really know how that works, but that's where we put them, because honestly,
separated.
Throw up is gross, and so are children. Now here are all the noise-making toys that we have. So these are good for sensory, growth and development. So here's that xylophone thing. So if you want to, why don't you play the xylophone a little bit?
I got the didgeridoo.
Oh my God, there's a hive of bees in there! There's a hive of bees! Bees! Okay. Whew.
Wait, it's stopped. We're fine. We're good.
Don't play the bee xylophone.
You handed it to me.
I didn't expect there to be a nest of bees swarming in the toys.
Do you have one of those like Care Bears? You hug them and they say something really nice?
I do. Here, listen to this one.
I love you!
Before I even squeeze it, it senses that you need love.
Emotional support.
It gives it to you.
I see.
It's an emotional support
nice.
Care Bear. This is one of my favorite things. This is the wheel of chores, because the kids learn responsibility here, so we spin the wheel. Watch.
Sure.
Really fast. It's a fast wheel. I just lubed it up with some WD-40 on the back, so it's going to be a while. I should have spun it at the beginning, and then it would stop by now.
Right.
Usually it takes.
We'll come back to that, I guess. Oh, there's the toy. Wait a minute. Is there a bomb in here?
Yeah. One of the new projects I'm working on is getting children to manipulate wires in a small environment. It's for dexterity.
That's a good idea.
It's a party bomb. You should hear when it explodes. Listen, wait, it doesn't really explode.
Okay.
Listen. See? It doesn't even scare him, nothing, it just...
Yeah, that's so nice. Oh.
So,
wait.
yeah, it's okay. Anyway, I'm going to move on.
Can I write my name on the chalkboard? Do you mind?
Oh, please do.
I need to, space it out properly.
Yeah.
I have a special finger that zaps instead of
I
chalk.
noticed it looked like you burned it right in the chalkboard, which we're going to have to replace now.
Well, I'm the permanent teacher.
This
so.
is the chalk. Let me show you how to write.
Okay, sorry.